Ano po yung basis ng 24 billion na multa, Secretary?
Estimate lang yan, ha?
Estimate, okay.
I'm
Apo.
not gonna say no exactly 24.
Opo.
Binilang namin to sa performance bond kasi we're talking about Solar Philippines, I
Yes,
guess,
yes,
no?
opo.
Iba kasi may ibang penalties pa din eh. Sa performance bond, dahil pina-expire lahat at iba kinol namin, tapos performance bond is about 20% of the value ng kontrata na yon.
Opo.
May contractual obligations ka pa na the full cost of the project.
Opo.
And then yung may financial obligations ka pa na yung mga fees mo, yung annual dues mo sa DOE. Tsaka meron pa yung iba dyan na maliliit. So marami po. This is based on the contract.
Opo.
Hindi to parang dahil lang galit kami or naghahabol kami. This is based on the contract na pinirma ng DOE at ng developer. Tapos nakalagay doon lahat na to, pati sa batas nakalagay yan. So nag-commit sila eh. So if you don't deliver and you committed, then we might as well find better investors for our country.
Yung po bang Solar Philippines Power Holdings, hanggang ngayon, si Congressman Livisty ba is actively participating in the management po? O nagdata siya? Oh.
We're asking for officially we're asking for the documents from all the agencies, especially SEC na. So far hindi kasi updated ang mga GIS nila sa submissions doon, kaya we're talking to SEC also for kung merong missing na mga documents. As far as DO is concerned, kung may change yan ng ownership or ilipat mo yung isang project, kailangan alam namin. Paalam mo sa amin.
Opo.
So far, naka-register pa rin sa Solar Philippines itong mga project na to. And as far as we know, ang ownership ng Solar Philippines ay kay Kong Leandro. Halos 99% siya din.
99%. Wala bang problema 'yon considering he is a congressman?
Tanungin na lang natin si Boying. Because based on the law, I think I was listening to Ombudsman Boying, and sinight niya yung yung violations, and I think that would be Ombudsman role kasi hindi na power yan hindi na power related katunying This is about constitution, this is about the franchise or di ba kung ano yung mga batas natin nagbabawal ng conflict of interest sa mga public servants natin. So we leave it to Ombudsman or the DOJ to determine if there's a violation.